cardiac kids, but it still carries that legacy of those heroes gone by, the likes of Binod Das and Basanta Regmi, Shakti Gauchan, Raghu Balan, Gyanendra Malla, Raju Khadka, and the legend that is himself Paris. Nepal's fans are dreaming bigger and maybe dreaming.
Walk out, representing that proud flag.
Just a fraction of movement. Again, not the right line, and well, the dream way for any batter to get off the mark, just where they love it most, right onto the pads. A tickle around the corner, and the first boundary goes to Asif Sheikh. Oh, now this is surely going to be trapped LBW. Nah. Cleans him up. Exceptional bowling. Actor of hitting sixes, hit a couple the other evening. Possibly the left arm.
Who's departed? Jason Holder into the attack. West Indies' most successful bowler in the first T20I.
Hit it straight down the ground by Kushal Malla. That's Ampaza.
News for a third. It's a lovely shot. Not full of length, but into the surface. Sort of like that. And misfield goes for four. Back-to-back boundaries. Only time will tell. It's good batting. It really is good batting. He got the length to play the shot. Trouble at the bowler's end. Trouble. And gets back. Gone by a foot at least. I thought he got back. My error. We've seen from Nepal, and that's the energy the West Indies need to bring with their youngsters at backward point. And Kushal Malla goes for 7, 43 for 3.
Hit it over extra cover, Asif.
Leg spin from both ends and given the treatment immediately. Slug sweep comes out, finds the gap and finds 4.
Game.
Just beats the cover fielder. And swept very powerfully and swept for 4.
Here's another boundary, perhaps the first 6 of the innings. And this has been some lovely ball striking to go with 12 fours.
Fantastic, Sandeep Zohra. 24 of 6. Down the drag this time, full swing of the bat, the ball has gone very high, and another handsome 6 here for Sandeep Zohra. And right thing to do as well. Nepal now getting into a very strong position and this freedom. But right after he struck, the sound so crispy. Towards the bigger side of the ground.
Man at long on is going to watch it sail over his head. Rohit Paudel elated with that. The captain claps on as Zohra finds another max.
Over for him.
Pump towards long on and again over his head. Zohra showing his power and his class to go with it. Oh, 6 more. Massive. What a strike from Sandeep Zohra. Nepal are in dreamland here. Outstanding strike, probably the biggest 6 of the night. And he just keeps going, but this time I think he might have holed out. Hit it straight to the man. And the fun is going to end for the moment, but what an innings. 1 foot behind that line. Oh, now. I'm glad I'm not up in the box. List of margins. Despite Sun. Sliced away. And sliced all the way. What a stunning stroke from Gulshan Jha. Now how's this one gone all the way? Almost an action replay. A mirror image, if you will. The first one belonged to Gulshan Jha. This one belongs to Asif Sheikh. Well, look at that. Outstanding batting again. The bottom hand coming through. Final over. It's Kyle Mayers to bowl it. How's that's the appeal, and it's given. And he's got big power hitting levers. That has gone many a mile. Welcome back to international cricket, Mohammed Adil. Nepal.
It's turning out to be a good decision by the captain and the coach.
Oh, he's missed out here. They're going to try and scamper. A run. No, it's all happening.
Mayers again try to bowl a leg cutter going down the leg side.
Edged and edged for 4. The runs keep coming. Yeah, this is going to be gone. It'll be 2 for Mayers. The third.
In the field by Nepal in the previous game. Carlos Brathwaite alongside me. What do you want to see from
the series?
And that makes it even tougher. He was at the stumps in that first over, and here as well, he's forced Joel Andrew to export. That is outstanding, not surprising. Kushal Bertel is brilliant.
Simply sensational. Cross seam, aerial, and Kushal Bertel. Simply brilliant. Karan Casey keeping it simple.
More like it. And finally the runs come. Akimo Geist, very talented youngster. He's defeat. Hit out towards the deep. And taken! Gulshan Njah!
Austin went for the slash. Mayers. And a diving effort to the left.
Oh, could have been another.
Look how quick he was, pounced at the ball like a tiger, and the batter was gone for.
Whoops, would have been gone as well. And it continues to go downhill for the West Indies while Nepal continue to ascend.
And snatch a catch.
He said that well enough, Jason Holder.
Situation.
Again, and that will help to come through. Just enough. Oh, good save. Good save. Very good save.
But look at the effort, the skill. Don't know if it touched the foot on the way back in, but to get up as high as he did, traditionally short in stature, and then to release it.
Full member international level. He hasn't hit it nearly well enough, and that's routine. Simply routine for that man, Kushal Bertel.
Back home, everywhere.
Fabian Allen, very capable, and he's got a really good piece of that. Even Kushal Bertel, who awful lot of big ones. Bowled him. Inside edge. Fabian gets in this over. Exactly where he wants to target, but there's a fielder there. It's another. Cup next year. But these are still full-time players. All nicely picked up, but is a fielder there? Of course there is. Who else would it be? It's Kushal Bertel again. Towards long off, Gulshan Njah. Oh, you won't believe it! He's done it again! Kushal Bertel, has he created an opportunity? Not another catch in the deep. Of course it is! And Karen Casey, fittingly, the Valentine's Day hero from 7 years ago, seals a series win for Nepal. in absolute wonder, in astonishment, the fans and players alike. They've won by 90 wins and they're going to win this inaugural Unity Cup. Nepal, you beauties, you've done it in some style.
History has been made today here by Nepal team.
Better myself if I tried, Paresh.
All the spectators here in Sharjah Cricket Stadium in
Huge margin, 90 runs. It's an unassailable 2-0 series lead.
The player of the match award, and that goes to Asif Sheikh for his 68 from 47 deliveries, which included 8 fours and 2 sixes.